What is up, everybody? I wanted to do a quick video. I have a DB7 Acura Integra 4-door, and I didn't really see anything about how to get the seats out. So I thought since I'm taking my seat out, I'd just show you guys real quick. So anyway, the first thing you want to do is, I got through the trunk, but there's a key thing there. So this is unlocked. You just want to get this seat pulled down. You'll have access to your trunk. Now, when you get over to the side here, if you'll pull up, you're going to have two 10mm screws on both sides. So I'm going to take those off. Alright, and always good to either put your bolts back in the seat, or I'll drop them maybe in there. So then we're going to come over to the other side, and you'll see nothing complicated, so I'll be right back. Alright, so now I've got all 4 bolts off the back seat, so let's see what happens here. Voila! So you're going to just go ahead and take this piece out, do what you will with it, clean it. So anyway, there's step 1. Now let's get to the bottom cushion. You can kind of lift on the cushion there, and there's some little hooky deals under there. So this is what that spring looks like. So you have to pull the seat so that it'll actually, you don't really have to force it if you move the seat up in the correct fashion or whatever. Before we get to that, there's going to be one bolt right here and no other bolts. So let's get to this one, and we should be able to pull the seat. Alright, it's out, ski. So after you take out this bolt, be mindful that these things are here. So what I feel like you need to do is grab the seat. It's going to have to come around this little piece here, okay? Then you're going to pull the seat forward. The doors open is a good idea. And as you pull forward, you see how that popped out? Alright guys, the seats are out. What you'll see here, I'll go ahead and show you these holes. So they're just kind of little holes that those spring clippy deals go into. If you need access to your fuel pump or whatever, you'll be able to get to it once you get that seat out if you're checking for leaks.